Welcome to Holy Grail RN. Please subscribe the channel for the latest videos. Let's start the topic direction of blood flow through the heart. Here you are watching the heart diagram. So from the first point to the 10th point is the pathway of blood flow through the heart. So the process starts from the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means the blood having low oxygen content. So the largest veins of our body, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This is superior and this is inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the upper body region, that include head, neck, arms and chest region, and inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the lower body regions, that includes legs, back, abdomen and pelvis. So superior and inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood and empty their content into the right atrium. So point number second showing right atrium. Then from here, that is from right atrium, blood passes via the right atrioventricular valve. This is right atrioventricular valve. From right atrium through the right atrioventricular valve, blood comes into the right ventricle. Then from right ventricle, blood will pumped into the pulmonary artery. That this is the point number fourth, which showing pulmonary artery. This is the core point because deoxygenated blood pumped by the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood, and opening of pulmonary artery is guarded by the pulmonary valve, that is backflow is prevented by pulmonary valve. Then next, after leaving the heart, pulmonary artery will divided into two, that is right and left pulmonary arteries. This is the fifth point showing left pulmonary artery, and here is right pulmonary artery. So these arteries carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where the gas exchange takes place, that is carbon dioxide is excreted and oxygen is absorbed. So here is the site, that is lungs, where the gas exchange will takes place, that is blood will get oxygenated. Now blood will get oxygenated. Then two pulmonary veins, point number 6 showing here and here, showing pulmonary veins from each lung carry oxygenated blood back to the left atrium. So point number 7 showing left atrium. Then from left atrium, blood passes through left atrioventricular valve. This is left atrioventricular valve, or we can say bicuspid valve. It is also known as mitral valve. Mitral valve. Then blood will pumped into left ventricle. Point number 8 is left ventricle. Then from left ventricle, it will go to the aorta. Point number 9 showing aorta. The opening of aorta is guarded by aortic valve. Then from aorta, oxygenated blood circulate to the whole body through these arteries. So point number 10 showing from aorta blood will go to the whole body. So for easy understanding, here is also a flow chart which presents blood flow through the heart. That is, as I already explained, deoxygenated blood from the superior and inferior vena cava, then right atrium, then right ventricle, then pulmonary artery, then it will go to the lungs, pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle, then aorta, arteries, capillaries. That's all. So this is a vicious cycle of flow of blood through the heart. So these are the core points which comes into the blood flow through the heart. That is the pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Then about the pulmonary veins, that these carries oxygenated blood, and two pulmonary veins from the each lung carries blood. Next is the largest veins, that is in the body, two largest veins, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So this is the acronym to easily remember the heart valves, that is APMT. That A stands for aortic valve, P for pulmonary valve, M for mitral valve, T for tricuspid valve. Because sometimes confusion arises between the atrioventricular names, so here is a mnemonic for, that is, try to write things first. Try to do right things first, that is try and write. So tricuspid valve lying at right atrioventricular valve. So its opposite is bicuspid valve. So you can remember this with the help of this mnemonic. So that's all about blood flow through the heart. Thank you.